Hey there, fellow travelers, adventurers, and nature lovers. Welcome to our amazing journey through the enchanting town of Munnar. Today, I'll be your guide as we dive into its captivating beauty and discover why it's one of the most popular destinations in India. So, let's get started. Munnar, located in the western Ghats of Kerala, is a paradise for those seeking tranquility and captivating landscapes. With its breathtakingly beautiful hills covered in mist, endless tea plantations, and cascading waterfalls, it's no wonder that Munnar has become a must-visit destination. Did you know that Munnar is renowned for its extensive tea plantations? These lush green carpets of tea bushes create a magical sight that stretches as far as the eye can see. This region produces some of the finest tea in the world, and you can even take a tour to witness the tea-making process up close and personal. Munnar is not just about tea plantations, it's also home to an incredible ecosystem. One of the most prominent attractions here is the Erivikulam National Park, a sanctuary for the endangered Nilgiri tahr. Take a trek through this park, and you'll find yourself surrounded by stunning flora and fauna, including exotic birds, sambar deer, and maybe even a glimpse of the wild elephants that roam the area. Now, let's head over to the Machu Picchu Dam, a testament to human engineering blended effortlessly with nature's beauty. This gigantic concrete dam, nestled amidst picturesque hills, creates an artificial lake that offers boat rides and breathtaking views. Immerse yourself in the tranquility of the surroundings as you sail across these serene waters. If you're an adrenaline junkie, Munnar won't disappoint. There are plenty of adventurous activities to get your heart racing. From trekking through challenging trails to paragliding over the valleys, or even camping under the twinkling stars, you're guaranteed an adrenaline-filled escape here. The captivating Etucad waterfalls. Witness the raw power of nature as water cascades down the rocky cliffs, creating a mesmerizing spectacle. The lush greenery surrounding the falls adds a touch of magic to an already enchanted setting, making it the perfect spot for nature enthusiasts and photographers. Now, for those interested in local culture, Munnar has something for you too. Explore the vibrant local markets and get lost in the aroma of freshly ground spices. Interact with the friendly locals and witness the craftsmanship of local artisans who create intricate handicrafts that reflect the rich cultural heritage of the region. As our journey in Munnar draws to a close, let's take a moment to soak in the awe-inspiring beauty of a Munnar sunset. As the sun dips below the horizon, the sky comes alive with vibrant hues, casting a golden glow over the mountains. It's a sight that will leave you speechless, a memory that will forever be etched in your heart. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey through the captivating town of Munnar. Its lush green tea plantations, breathtaking waterfalls, adventurous escapades, and warm local culture truly make it a paradise on earth. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and get ready to experience the magic of Munnar yourself. Until next time, happy traveling.